Alright, what's up you guys? Me Tech Reviews back in another video. In this video I'm excited to talk to you guys about YeSoul Fitness Rower. So I got this sent over me to review to showcase to you guys. This is a fitness rower that can connect to your smartphone with free casting, so you can cast whatever is on your device into the rower. It's got free programs on there as well. You don't need a subscription to utilize it and use it for your fitness goals like other rowing machines where you will be tied into a subscription to even utilize it. So this one's pretty cool. It's budget friendly. Right now it's just under 500 bucks on sale, so at the time of this video at least. So I'm excited to show this to you guys. We're going to talk about and show you the assembly of it, how to connect it, the rowing techniques, and how easy it is to fold it and put it away and all that jazz. So pretty excited, like I said, so let's get right into it. So this is basically what's in the box, and we're gonna organize it so I can show you the layout of this. And there's my cat Frankie. She's very curious as well to how hard these workouts are gonna go. Right, Frankie? All right, so parts wise, this is what you'll basically have: the main component, the footrest, the rower part, the TV right here, the speaker right there is wireless, and those are all your parts. All right, so the first thing you're gonna install is this leg right here and the main body. And if you're not missing screws, the screws are already screwed onto this lower part. You just gotta unscrew them, then screw them back on, attached to the main body. And the second part you're gonna install is the sliding part where you're gonna be rowing on. All right, so same thing as this. When you install the middle part right here, there'll be a screw you have to take out, and then you plug the rower part in here, and you plug it back, the screw back in, and tighten it up. There's a whole video that shows you how to install this, by the way, in case I'm not making any sense. All right, so after it's all assembled, this will be what your finished product look like with it turned on. Here's what it looks like when it's not mirrored to your phone, just the basic display with your strokes per minute, your wattage, your miles, your calories, and the resistance that you have it at. I'm gonna pan down for you guys. So this is the part where the mic cut off because it died on me, but here you can see the entire rower. I couldn't show you the entirety of me installing it because I ran into some complications and I was kind of slow, but there is a video installation guide on YouTube that shows you how to install this, and a manual as well. All right guys, so we're gonna get some workouts started because here at Beam Tech Reviews, we don't just review tech, we also like to work out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So what's great about this rower from YeSoul is that you can stream whatever you want. You can stream YouTube, Netflix, whatever is on your phone, basically, you can put on that 15 or 21 inch screen right there and watch whatever. And the 6-watt dual speaker, it's loud, doesn't sound the best, but it sounds good enough to get motivated and get a workout in. It sounds good enough to hear and stream your favorite shows while you're rowing. So it's pretty cool. And there is a subscription on here, but you don't have to have it. It's optional. And with the free version, you can still get all the workouts you want by using the default screen. You don't even have to stream your phone. You don't have to make an account. You can just row and get started that way. But if you want to explore more in the app and do other things, you can download the app, make an account, and it has free workouts on there as well. All you gotta do is basically plug in your phone and stream it and mirror it. So I'm gonna demonstrate some workouts, demonstrate what it looks like to stream from your device, and let's get into it. All right, so here you can see that I am mirroring my phone by simply plugging it into the HDMI to USB-C wire that is provided in the box. At least in my version, that's what's provided. So I can go to YouTube, look up rowing workouts, and then I can stream this video and watch this video about rowing. Now, if I wanted to go to a different app, like say I wanted to go to Netflix, for example, I can open up Netflix and go to my account and watch something like One Piece, and then this would show up. Can't show you a lot of it because I'll get hit with copyright, but nonetheless, that's what you can do. You can go to TikTok if you want. You can check your emails. You can go to Peloton app. You can do a lot of different things on here. You can go to YouTube Music and just stream your favorite music. You can do a lot of different things just by scrolling through your phone, essentially. You don't really need anything else if that's the route you want to go. All right, so in this mode, I guess when it comes to rowing around the world, you can't really do that for free. That's, I think, under the paid subscription, because under the free tabs, it just doesn't work. So here's free mode, where you pretty much be rowing your bike, and I guess I can't hear my music probably because I'm screen recording at the same time. Yep, that's why. So I'll screen recording and I can't play my music out loud. I'm doing that. So under only the subscription model, you can import your Apple Music on here. It doesn't mention Spotify, so bear that in mind. But it does have like its own playlist of music that you can choose, or you could probably just go in Bluetooth mode and not use the screen at all, and prop your phone up under here on the machine and play your music that you want. So I'm gonna strap in. And then we're gonna. I'll be on my grind, flex up, shining. Fucking flying, soaring, down. Lit shit, nearly up the rocket, top and down. I was falling from the bubble, and I'm fucking on the share. I'll be on my grind, flex up, shining. Oh yeah, baby, finna pull up right beside him. They call me Sicky, I was never one for hiding. And if the weekend kicking in on Monday, I'll be riding. Fucking flying, soaring, down. Zip skillet on my stove, I keep on flying. Lit shit, nearly up the rocket, top and down. I was falling from the bubble, and I'm fucking on the side. All right, so next I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to put this away. All right, so this says to, before tightening or loosening, lift this part. So you wanna lift that part while you're loosening these knobs and all that jazz. Just gonna lift this guy up. I'm gonna pull this guy out. Then she'll fold it up. Like so. And then that knob is gonna close right there. You probably didn't see it. And then we're gonna take this guy and you're gonna screw it in right here. Like so. And just like that, your YeSoul Fitness Rower is all folded up and ready to be stored away. All right, so before I draw my conclusion with the YeSoul Rower and the app, I want to show you the app. I didn't really give you a good proper screen recording of the app. So this is the home screen, the first thing you'll see, right? And if you have a device, this is how you'll connect it. You'll click on it and you'll connect. Now the YeSoul Rower does have a pretty good Bluetooth where you can connect it even to your LG TV. You'll try to connect to that. It'll connect to your Apple Watch, so that way you can see the heart rate monitor on the screen when you're rowing and whatnot for any type of exercise. Nice touch, nice touch. So here you have like week streak. It'll tell you when you're exercising, your weekly goals. You have different rides. Now Just Ride is the free version, and you want to make sure you're hitting rowing machine. You have the rower, otherwise it'll say you can't find your device because you probably didn't have the right device on there. Like when I first had this, it was set to the spinning bike and I was like, where's my device? So you have free training, target training, where you can do it for 10 minutes, interval training, interval rowing, endurance, different settings. Here you have sunset rides, and then there's going to be these ads in the app encouraging you to take advantage of the deals. And 77% off is not a bad deal per se. So when you click on this, you'll see the 2-year membership for $109 and all these other memberships. So with your membership, you can ride with Apple Music playlists in your session. It will import it in, and you can do it that way. You'll have smart plans, outdoors right at home, fresh weekly programs, challenges with the community, etc. So those are some of the perks of having a membership with YeSoul. So if you keep scrolling, you'll see different types of modes, classes and whatnot. And if you only have a rower, you want to make sure that you're clicking on classes that include a rower, obviously. So for right here in courses, you want to make sure you're hitting rowing if you have the rower specifically. Or if you have, go back to cardio, Cardio could be just anything. So you could just use the TV that is on the bike and rotate it and turn it. And then you can just watch the screen and do these exercises with cardio and HIIT. Now you don't need the rower for this, and you can click on these classes, look at it from the TV away from the rower, and do exercises that way if you choose to do so. Same with stretching and strength workouts. You don't need the rower. You could just use the TV screen, connect it through your phone, through the HDMI to USB-C cable that's provided, and go that way. Running, obviously, you'll have the treadmill probably for that one and whatnot. Here there's different plans that you can do. Here in this tab there's challenges with cashback, which is interesting. Not sure what that entails, but let's click on one and look at it real quick. So here you have different rewards and whatnot. Pretty cool. If you're really competitive, you can challenge yourself, I guess, if you want to go that route. And then here in your profile, you can just click on the profile to adjust different things and whatnot. Now if you want to link it with your Apple Health, I couldn't really find out how to do it in the app, so you'd have to go to Apple Health, scroll down to app sharing data, and then find YeSoul, and then there's where you can turn on Apple Health sharing information with the YeSoul Fitness app. But again, membership benefits, so this is where get a membership benefit. You have beat driven, import Apple Music, science powered courses, AI coach in 3 minutes, your world, your gym. So these are the perks of having the membership, and right now there are deals. You have a trial, then you have $15.99 a year, cancel anytime, etc. And then you have the $60.99 a year, blah blah blah, 71% off. So these are good deals, and yeah, so this is the YeSoul Fitness app, basically. So what do I think of the YeSoul Rower? I think it's pretty cool. My office is very small and compact, and for now I'm gonna store it right here in this little space that I'm showing you right here in my phone. And that's pretty neat that I can even do that as an option for now until I get the garage situated to put it inside the garage. But nonetheless, the compactness of it is great. And the other main thing is that you do not need the subscription to use your rower. The main factor on here is that you can plug in your phone via HDMI to USB-C with the cable I was provided with my unboxing of this. And stream whatever you want. You can go on YouTube, look up workouts. You can use the YeSoul app and stream the YeSoul app and do workouts. You can watch your favorite shows, the news. You can anything that's on your phone will be mirrored on this nice 21-inch screen with this pretty powerful little 6-watt dual speaker over here. It sounds okay. It can get loud. It's not the greatest sound, but it does its job for what it is. For what it is. Excuse me. And right now, this is only $500. That's another thing. It's only $500. Subscription free. And then if you want to opt for a subscription, you get some little perks here and there, and there are sales right now for the subscription part of it, and then you can opt out whenever you want when you do it. So yeah, I think the rower is cool. Installation, putting it together is pretty straightforward. You can get it done within an hour. I'm not all that there in the head that smart, so it took me a little minute. But for the average person, I'm not saying I'm below average, but for the average person, it should take about 45 minutes to an hour. I got distracted with my pets and everything else, ADHD, all that jazz. So nonetheless, the rower, what grade would I give it? Probably a B+. I think the seats could be a little more comfortable. But another key factor on here is that this is not that loud actually when you're rowing on it. It's got like these magnetic things going inside of it. So it's pretty, quiet. You can row on it quietly late at night, not wake anybody up. Another big perks, no loud fan attached to it. So yeah, B+, thing's pretty good for what it is, especially for the price point. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Shout out to YeSoul for sending this out to me to showcase to you guys. Hopefully you found the video informative and helpful. Maybe this is something you're into and will invest in. I don't know, but nonetheless, here it is for me to show to you guys. Also, a quick shout out to my subscribers. I think there's 65,000 of y'all right now, and not all you are like current regulars. According to my analytics, there's about 98 8% of you guys not subscribed. So please subscribe to the channel. It helps me put out more content. It helps me get more collaborations like this to showcase to you guys and provide discount codes and all that jazz. So please continue to like and subscribe and spread the word about the channel. We've been growing pretty rapidly, so hopefully you can continue that momentum, get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, hopefully. So let's get there. Thank you for all your support. Shout out to YeSoul again for sending this out, and let's get to the 100K. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.